Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and gold is taking a pause. Gold is showing a pause right now. Yesterday, gold was trying to recover. It made a high of around 1833, and we can see that right now gold is standing at 1821. There is no sign of trend reversal yet, but still gold is trying to take a pause. So let's try to understand whether this is a good sign or still there is no sign from the chart of gold. You can see gold subdued near 7-month lows on lofty US dollar heels. And this is the chart of US dollar, and dollar index is still very bullish both fundamentally and technically, and dollar is still flying. You can see that US dollar index DXY is standing at 107.14. As expected, dollar index took support around the previous high here. The previous high is working as support here, and dollar index is trying to bounce from here. During the day, before the US session especially, if dollar index shows some retracement, then dollar index will get some support around 106.30 from the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average has been acting as dynamic support for quite some time, so we can expect the same again, because overall the market sentiment is extremely bullish for US dollar. And as we all know that for a trend reversal, we need a big news. We need the backing of a fundamental factor, which we don't have yet. But there is a hope. There is a hope because we have many news this week, especially NFP coming up on Friday. There is a possibility that by the end of the week, we may get to see some deep retracement on the chart of DXY and some recovery on the chart of gold. But if NFP fails to bring dollar to the downside, then obviously we will get to see further lows, huge lows on the chart of gold, and things will be very scary. This is the economy calendar. Today is Wednesday. You can see today we have two important news. First of all, ATP coming up at 5:45 p.m. in my country. Just go to economy calendar and check the time in your country or time zone. Then we have also PMI coming up. So market will be very volatile. So if you're a day trader, then please be careful, because there will be extreme volatility and your stop loss may not fall. And those who are holding buy or sell position, you also need to be careful, because your stop loss may not work, because we all know it very well that slippage is a big issue at the time of news. And if you want to avoid the problem of slippage, then you can obviously check out the link in the description, where we have the link for GTC Fx. GTC Fx is a regulated broker you can trust, and obviously there is no slippage with GTC Fx because they are a liquidity provider themselves. Anyways, you can check out GTC Fx if you're not happy with your current broker, if you're looking for a better option, because at the time of news, we know that slippage is a big problem. If you want to trade, our trades do not get placed, it shows pending, it keeps on rotating. So if you want to avoid all those problems, GTC Fx is the best solution. Link is in the description. Okay. Now, this is the chart of gold. So, my dear friends, one thing we need to understand here is that gold is beautifully showing that volatility shifts in the market. Now listen to me carefully. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. No market in the world always keep on going up. No market in the world keeps on going down. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. Even on the chart of gold, we can see the same stuff. You can see market was low volatile, then there was a drop. Market took rest, then there was a drop. And again, market is taking a rest. So market taking a rest doesn't mean that market is about to drop again. Already gold has shown extreme selling, more than 1000 pips in just few days. So there is still, I'm hoping for some recovery. But in case, okay, gold breaks the previous low here. Okay, where is the previous low? The previous low is around 1815. Okay, so if gold breaks the 1815 level, then we may get to see a big drop on the chart of gold again. Yesterday, remember I told you guys that I have a buy limit around 1806. Okay, why I placed the buy limit? Because I was hoping for a bounce. not a complete trend reversal. I was hoping that there would be at least a bounce of 80 to 90 pips if market comes down to 1806. But right now you can see that gold is preparing for a big move again, because volatility shifts in the market. The volatility in the market doesn't remain the same. So if gold breaks 1806, sorry, 1815 this time, if gold breaks 1815 this time and with a big red candle, then the support of 1806 also may not work. Okay. Maybe 1800 will come into the scene, 1790 may come into the scene. If you have been trading on the chart of gold for quite some time, for a few years, then you can understand the importance of 1790. For the last few years, 1790 has been acting as a very important zone. Okay, sometimes it was a very strong support, sometimes it was a very strong resistance, but 1790's level was quite crucial for gold traders. So we may get to see 1790 again. So right now, things are a little bit scary. Okay, so today I will be removing my buy limit at 1806, because if the drop comes, then there's a high chance that gold will break 1806 as well. Okay, so my dear friends, you need to be careful, because volatility will be very high at the time of news. And if you want to take a sell position below 1815 level, you can go for a sell, because we have been trading in this way for the last couple of days. So if gold breaks 1815 level, you can go for a sell below it. But there's a high chance that before the news, gold may not break the level. And in case you see the volatility of the market remains like this, if you see that gold is forming small candles, then you can try to avoid sell as well. Because before a big news, we know it very well that market prefers to stay silent. And there's a chance that market may remain silent before the news as well. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts. And if gold breaks 1815 level with a big red candle, we can go for a sell. And there's a high chance that the support of 180506 may not work. Okay, so it all depends on the volatility right now. Volatility of the market will play a very important role. So if you see the market is going down but volatility is not very high, then we can expect 1805 1806 support to work. This is the support of 180506. Simply switch to a lower time frame. Okay, simply switch to a lower time frame. When you see the market is going down, just go to a lower time frame just to see the market behavior. Okay, if you see the market is taking support around 1805 1803 level, you will get a confirmation. Okay, market is taking support. In that case, you can go for a buy, but do not go big. Follow strict risk management, because the buy will be just a temporary bounce, not a complete trend reversal. Because for trend reversal, we need a fundamental factor. And if the technical level is very strong, max to max, you will get a bounce. That's it, not a complete reversal. Okay, so the volatility will be very important. If market breaks 1815 with volume, we can go for a sell position. And if the selling pressure is too high, then obviously market will show further downside, and this will also not work. And if we see the market broke 1815, okay, market after breaking 1815 level, okay, going down, okay, but with small candles, means the volume is not very high. In that case, we can expect a bounce around 1805 1803. And on the other hand, as the market is in downtrend for quite some time, we can also look for some selling opportunity around 1846 to 1850, in case during the day market tries to recover before news. Okay, after news, market may be crazy, and as we all know, technicals may not work after news. So after news, try to follow the trend of the market, but before news, you can obviously rely on the technicals. As I always say, my dear friends, as a trader, it is very important to know when to trust the technicals and when to go with the fundamentals. And you can see, while drawing Fibonacci here, we can see around 1846, 1850, we have Fibo 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average around the area. Okay, and this time we are not relying on the 50 moving average, because market is silent. When the market will blast, okay, the 50 moving average may not work, because it is very near to the market price right now. So these are a few things that you will understand with some time. Okay, experience. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Be careful, market will be volatile, and those who are already having sell position on the chart of gold, be on the trade further downside possible. And if market breaks 1800 level, I don't know where the bottom is. Okay, enjoy the trade, enjoy the ride, and if you're having a buy position, try to exit, my dear friend. It's like committing suicide, okay, if you're having a buy position, because still there is no sign of trend reversal yet. We all want a trend reversal, but there is no sign yet. And that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care. And if you're looking for a good broker, then you can check out the link in the description. GTC Fx is one of the best solution for you, and probably the best broker I have seen till date. Okay, bye bye, take care.